Samsung is working on something new. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to launch alongside with the Galaxy Z Flip 4, but there are some new interesting news that I'm going to bust today, and there may be scrollable device in the near future, although it's not going to happen this summer. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will going to launch this summer in August 2022 along with the Z Flip 4. But there are some rumors regarding an extra foldable phone or scrollable phone, but that is too far to be true. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will have changes that we really wanted in the Z Fold 3 and some concerns about outer display since there is no news regarding a better outer display for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, do you think Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be cheaper than the Fold 3? According to the IC Universe, the code name Diamond is for the scrollable smartphone, but later that tweet was deleted. And Ross Young mentioned that Diamond codename is for S23 Ultra, but things didn't stop here. Samsung actually filed a patent for scrollable display, and there are two patents that Samsung owns for their upcoming scrollable phones. It is confirmed that we're not going to see scrollable phone this year, but next year Samsung will definitely unveil the scrollable smartphone. Do you guys know that Samsung praises Oppo fine and on Twitter? Well, yes, a GIF posted by Oppo PR executive on Twitter where we see Samsung US official Twitter account said, "Pretty amazing." Either this was a mistake or Samsung actually praised new technology and gives credit to their competitors. Although Chinese smartphones are not going to sold outside, where we see Samsung phones all over the world and dominating the foldable market. Saying about this, Samsung is also improving the durability on the Galaxy Z Fold 4, where we see UTG ultra thin glass on Galaxy Z Fold 4 and also UDC under display cameras, and most wanted S-Man that everyone wanted in the Fold 3, and also in an updated Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus. Yes, nowhere Gen 1. Samsung is trying to improve performance on Galaxy Z Fold 4. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, do you think Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be cheaper than the Fold 3? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.